The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Pottawatomie County in southwestern Iowa until 2:15 p.m. At 1:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over southeastern Omaha, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include eastern Omaha, Council Bluffs, Carter Lake, Underwood, Neola, Crescent, Minden, Council Bluffs Airport, Etley Airfield, McClellan, Lake Manoa State Park, Weston, Arrowhead Park, Narrows River Park, and Hitchcock Nature Center. People attending Minden tornado cleanup should seek safe shelter immediately. This includes the following highways: Interstate 29 between mile markers 47 and 63. Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 3 and 31. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. for southwestern Iowa and east central Nebraska. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. for southwestern Iowa and east central Nebraska. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. for the following county: Pottawatomie, Iowa,